Hello everyone, welcome back to day 9 of my 30-day English speaking series. Many English learners have the same fear. They know what they want to say, but before speaking they start thinking, is this sentence correct? Is my grammar wrong? Will people judge me? And because of this overthinking, they stop speaking. Today we will talk about how to speak English without overthinking grammar. Why overthinking grammar stops fluency? Grammar is important, but when you think about it while speaking, it becomes a barrier. Your brain cannot create ideas, check grammar at the same time. When you focus too much on grammar, fluency breaks. Fluent speakers don't speak perfectly, they speak continuously. A simple truth about fluency. Fluent speakers don't think, is this present simple or past perfect? They think, what do I want to say? Fluency is about flow, not perfection. Mistakes does not block communication. Silence does. Method 1. Use simple structures. Instead of complex sentences, use simple sentences you already know. For example, I think this is good. What do you think about that? Simple grammar spoken confidently is better than perfect grammar spoken hesitantly. Method 2. Focus on meaning, not form. When speaking, ask yourself, is my message clear? Not, is my grammar perfect? If the listener understands you, your English is working. Clarity matters more than correctness. Method 3. Delay grammar correction. Don't correct grammar while speaking. Speak first, correct later. You can review recordings, note repeated mistakes, improve gradually. This keeps speaking smooth and learning effective. Daily practice reminder. During your daily speaking practice, focus on continuity. Don't stop, don't correct, just express. Fluency grows from uninterrupted speech. Remember, children learn by speaking, not by studying grammar. Fluency comes before accuracy. You are learning a language, not taking an exam. This was day 9 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you practiced today, comment day 9 done. Tomorrow in day 10, we will talk about how to sound more natural while speaking English. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for watching.